Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Hi, this is Bhupesh. So what we are going to do today will be creating an OpenAI API key, which is actually used in all your agentic AI models. But this is a very normal thing which no so many people do not know. And then we'll be creating a Perplexity API key also. So you need to come on to the Google, quickly run this OpenAPI API key. Click on the first URL. You will get into your account. Just log in it with the help of your legitimate email ID, and then you will land up on your profile. You click on API keys and then simply create a new secret key, and you give it a demo to, for example, if you don't have any project, you can select a default project also, and then you create a key. Now there's one more thing you need to do. You need to have make sure that your default project is properly authenticated with the payment mechanism, but that you can do it later. So first of all, let's create an open API key that is being created. Now, how to test this open API key, whether it is really correct or not for using into your model. So you need to make it happen. So this is my API key, which I've created it. And then I'll copy this API key and then we'll run into the authentication bearer. You need to make sure that you are putting this URL. We are doing a curl on this URL with authentication bearer content time. This is the payload I'm doing it. And this is the model. You need to make sure that model is correct. So let me see whether this API key is correct or not before I use it in the model. So I'll just run this curl command. It will give me definitely the key is correct, but you don't have an quota, so you need to pay and get the quota increase for your using the tokens. But this is the way to create an open API key. Okay, using platform.openapi.com. Now let's see the how to generate the same key for Perplexity. We can quickly come on to this. Since I already have a pro account, I'll click here. I will go to the account and then I'll click on API, right? And then all you need to fill all these information. All these informations are once saved then into all the and you will get a $5 free if you are having a pro account. If you don't have a pro account, then you will not get anything. Let me create a fresh key. This is the fresh key that has created. I will copy this key and then I will run it and see whether this key is correct or not. This is my Perplexity uh, curl command. You need to make sure that this URL is correct for using into any of your models. I'll simply ask the capital of India. Let's see. Since I have some limit of $5, it should give some results back to me. Okay, 1 second. Mm, So now I'm hitting perplexity.ai and .chat completion. Now you see I have received the results. New Delhi is the capital of India, and then you can see the results are coming nicely. Now there's one more thing before we wrap up. I can see the usage of my API key, how it is behaving. I mean how much I have used. So I was having $5 of credit. Now this has been used in last few days. So this is how you can check the remaining balance of your API key. That is pretty much. We'll see how to leverage these API keys in our next session. So do circle back after some time and do not forget to like and subscribe the channel for getting more the details. Thank you. Bye.